Good morning. Bitcoin analyzing BTC's bearish and bullish price action for the week ahead. Earlier this week, the Bitcoin BTC price rallied to $44,000 levels amid sanctions reports. But the cryptocurrency market slumped again as new development from the Ukrainian conflict came in. At press time, the entire crypto market was down by 4%. The King coin suffered a 5% price correction as it dropped below the $41,500 mark. There's no rush. The percentage of the Bitcoin supply on exchanges dipped further down to 10.76% on the 4th of March as the supply shock continued to deepen. As pointed out by Santiment, the percentage of BTC supply stored on exchanges dropped over the past 30 days. Moreover, the decreasing supply of BTC held on exchanges essentially meant that investors weren't in a rush to sell their coins. This can be considered a bullish sign. Moreover, Tether USD or USDT's supply on exchanges shared the same fate. While this is a strong sign of market recovery, based on buying pressure, it is imperative to evaluate other variables as well. The stablecoin supply ratio or SSR is the ratio between Bitcoin supply and the supply of stablecoins denoted in BTC. Whenever the SSR ratio is low, it usually indicates that the buying power is residing with stablecoins to acquire more Bitcoin. In the above chart, the SSR ratio was at a high value during the early half of 2021, but since then, it receded. After reaching a low a year later, it witnessed a change in the supply-demand dynamic. At the time of writing, the SSR stood at 5.09. Interestingly, SSR portrayed a bullish narrative. The upside came amid fresh buy-side momentum. It fundamentally got the fuel from the spotlight shone on crypto, especially amid donations to Ukraine. Investors of late have been having more faith in BTC. Well, a Swiss connection has played a major role here. Cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin and Tether were made de facto legal tender in Lugano, Switzerland, as the city aimed to become a regional crypto hub. The announcement was made by city director Pietro Peretti in a live-streamed event called Lugano's Plan on the 3rd of March. Crypto analyst Scott Melker opined that Bitcoin's retest of $42K was critical. Flipping the major downtrend line into support would be even better. Into the block data shared by crypto analyst Ali Martinez showed the two main price levels for BTC short term. The $45,000 area represented the key resistance zone, while $40,000 offered the main anchor to the downside. If bears breached the $40 level, BTC could go to $37,000 or lower.